this word? What is it?
Eyes.
Eyes. The girl has blue eyes. What color are your eyes?
Me and nose and her eyes and white.
Her eyes. Yeah. What's this word?
Nose.
Nose. Touch the nose. Touch your nose. Good job. What's that word?
Leg.
Wait, what's this word?
Back.
Clap. Clap your hands. Yep. Okay. What's this word?
Elephant.
Elephant. Elephants are big.
Elephant is trunk.
Elephant has a trunk. Yep. Okay. What's this word? What is it?
Mouth.
Mouth. Open your mouth like this.
Ah.
Good. Good job, Russell. This word? Gorilla. Gorilla. Find the gorilla's mouth.
My nose.
And his nose too, huh? What's this word?
Dog.
Dogs. How many dogs on this page?
It's my dog.
That's like Sam's dog. Which one's like our dog?
Where's the dog?
That's like our dog Eve, huh? Okay, what's this word?
Cat.
Cat. Find a cat's nose.
The cat's nose.
The cat's nose. Yeah. What's this word?
Oh.
Toes. Can you touch the toes? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 toes. Okay, what's this word?
Colors. Colors.
Colors, right. How many colors do you know? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. It's brown, white, and black. Good job.